Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of Elementor tips and tricks video tutorials. In this short video, you are going to learn how to hide main page title using Elementor Page Builder. When applying WordPress theme to your website, every individual web page comes with page title at the top of that page. This could come either handy in some cases or inconvenient in others. Page titles normally included in the web page main navigation menu anyway, hence hiding title on the actual page will not mislead your audience and can help you utilize space on your web page. For example, if you want to fill more content into your web page, you can hide page title and use that space to add additional Elementor entry. To hide page title using Elementor Page Builder, choose the page in which you'd like to hide the title and click Edit with Elementor. Once in editing mode, click on Settings in the left-hand corner, and within Hide Title sections, simply choose Yes. This will remove the page title and allow the content below to take its position, at the same time allowing you to fit more content within your web page. Once completed, click Update to save changes. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in my next video.